Hello friends, I am Shashikant. If you want to take an admission for a BFA 4-year full-time professional undergraduate degree course in Bachelor of Fine Art in a reputed institute like Sir J.J. School of Art or any other college in Maharashtra, then first of all you have to appear for the entrance test, which is called MAH AAC CET Maharashtra Applied Arts and Craft Common Entrance Test. The Commissioner of State CET Cell has been designated as competent authority for conducting MAH AAC CET. State CET Cell of Maharashtra State releases the CET application form online. You have to submit the application form before the last date. Application fees for the general category candidate was 1,700 rupees and for reserved category candidate was 1,200 rupees last year in 2019-20. After the successful completion of the application form and fees, the CET cell will issue the hall ticket that you have to download. Carry the hall ticket and drawing material on the exam date. There will be 4 papers, 3 papers will be practical and 1 paper will be the theory. 3 papers were like 2D design, object drawing and memory drawing. These 3 papers will have 50 marks each, and the candidates who have passed or appearing for the HSC 12th standard examination and having Indian nationality are eligible to appear for MAH AAC CET 2020. There is no age limit for admission and appearing to the CET. The 10 marks will be given from the intermediate grade examination which you have earlier appeared. So if you have A grade in intermediate drawing grade exam, then 10 marks will be added. If you have B, then 6 marks, and if you have C grade, then 4 marks will be added in total of this CET. After successful completion of the application form, when the exam will get over, the result will declare on the official website. To check the result, candidates need to log in using their username and password. Candidates are offered admission to undergraduate visual art courses on the basis of their performance in the entrance exam.